The date, November 22nd. The dog, Yanta. The man, Mr. Solitude Customs. And you've heard of him? Never heard of her. All right. So today, what are you going to be showing us how to do?
Oh, you're smoke testing your snorkel?
Oh, you're going to show us how to smoke test a snorkel, huh?
Yeah, I mean, why, you even have any doubts about it?
Do I have doubts about it?
Yeah.
Well, I reconnected it, so yeah.
Oh, that.
Yeah, that's right. So, this little contraption right here is called a Smoke Tech Storm Evap Smoke Machine.
That's the one I bought when I was at the old shop garage.
Shop 2.0 or 1.0.
Got off the eBay. It's like $120 or something like that.
Okay. So can you kind of explain to us what everything right here? So this canister,
it looks like a paint can, but just a positive negative with a tiki torch wick in there wrapped with the coil wire, and then just basically shorts it out. You just hook it up to down there on the wire. Just hook it up to your battery. Let it go for about a minute until it starts bubbling. This is a reducer here. Just puts it in your air fitting. Reduce that down to like 1 psi, I think.
So it regulates the amount of pressure that you're blowing out the smoke.
Yeah, because I mean it's 120 out of that fitting in my shop, and then it reduces it down to 1 psi, and you just slowly open and close it. And now, to me, there's 3 ways to see if you got a leak. The best way is to turn off the lights, get your flashlight, kind of just obviously look for smoke. Second way is to smell it, because I use baby oil. Baby oil is the best, most readily available. It's like $1 or so at the Walgreens or something. And then also sound. If you got a completely sealed setup, you'll stop hearing the airflow because it can't overcome that 1 psi. So you can actually hear that canister stop pushing, and then you're sealed through. I kind of like the hearing method the most. I mean, it's just quick.
So you're talking about 1 psi. And the regulator. What's the importance of that? Why do you want to regulate it down to 1 psi?
Because you don't want to blow it apart. Like putting your hand over the snorkel and stuff, yeah, it'll work. But don't do it on an EFI because it sucks it in too much and it'll suck everything up. And I've actually seen a bunch of airbox lids blow up and crack. 2, you could bust a seal. If you have a good seal, you could bust that seal. Just don't want to. The hand method worked. It's worked for a long time, especially for an airbox like the carbureted 300s. You do it, does it so fast, it's not a real big deal. Then pull your hand away, if you know it's gonna die. So
these EFIs don't do.
Yeah, the EFI is gonna run for about anywhere to 10 seconds after your hand's on there, and all that's doing is just constantly sucking in. Like this looks dented, but look like the 300s are flat. It'll suck in that much, and you'll see everything just suck in real tight.
This isn't dented, by the way, just so y'all know.
No, it always looked like it.
That's just how it is, man. That's just how it be. But yeah, don't use make sure you use a regulator so you don't blow anything up, blow your snorkel up.
That's just a 2-inch, and you can do this with 1.5 inch, 2 inch, whatever, with the little barb fitting on there, just thread it in. Just put that on there and then tighten it up.
Look at that.
But actually, I turn it on, and as soon as I start seeing it come out, then I'll pop it in there.
Okay. So we got to use my battery.
Well, yeah. You okay? You got enough juice?
It's a Honda, of course it does, man. Plus, it's a brand new battery. I had to replace it because there were some issues.
It's actually clean in there. I can see the battery finally.
Not by my choice.
So you want to make that nice and level. And then when there's a lot of dirt down in the snorkel here, what you want to do is go ahead and just rub that off and bang it, let it fall down into the snorkel.
Good job. Good stuff. Pro tip for y'all.
And that's it, just positive, negative.
Positive, negative.
Black to red, red to black.
Opposite of that.
And it's heating, it's doing its thing.
So that element's going on.
So I don't know if you can
I can hear it.
Hear that. Just like that. We'll
take this sucker off until it starts smoking. This is gonna be fun.
Baby oil is a laxative, so don't breathe it in just straight away.
Oh shoot! Yeah, I'm in a camper right now. That's gonna be bad. You can see some of the smoke coming out.
Okay.
It's real faint, but you can see it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I have these old 33-year-old eyes.
I was looking in the wrong spot.
And I'm breathing in.
I was looking in the smoke-free zone.
I'm breathing. I'm breathing all this in, so I'm gonna be annihilating the toilet later.
So it's not a lot. The baby oil in here is, you know, for excuses or whatever, but it is old.
Don't use old baby oil.
So on yours, we'll probably more or less go after the sound. Now I don't know how well this is gonna pick up on video, because ideally you want to turn off all the lights and just use like the faint light of, you know, your phone or just any kind of light to see if it's.
Oops, sorry about that.
But you're worried about down.
Yeah, I'm worried about that connection.
This
On the. Is that here right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is the spot I'm worried about mainly. Right here. You can kind of see why I'm worried about that too. Watch smoke just start pouring out of everywhere. Fuck!
Let me go ahead and turn the light off then. Can you turn off that light on the wall in the center?
On the wall in the center, gotcha. Oh, look at his little USA over there. Kind of cool. Hold on,
Jeez.
What? Smoke coming out everywhere?
No.
Oh, just the sneezing.
Sneezing was coming out everywhere.
Oh.
I'm not seeing anything.
I don't see anything either. I mean, I do good work. I don't know why I doubted myself.
If you can read the instructions.
Well, I threw the instructions away.
I mean, I'm not. What it could be too on some of these, obviously, is you got your crankcase vent going into your air box, and so it could just be going. The pressure is going into your motor.
Is that bad?
Oh.
It's coming out the tailpipe?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I found the leak. Your airbox is leaking back here at the exhaust.
Oh, that's kind of cool. So you see it's working.
Yeah, so that's why the cell phone helps out so much. So actually, let's
see if you can hear that change. There it is.
Is it dying out?
Yeah. It's still going a little bit, but it died out pretty much.
And then when you...
Yep, you hear it?
Oh, that's a good...
So it's pretty sealed.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I thought it was going to be a little harder to see the smoke, but like you're saying, that dim light helps a lot.
I mean, there is... Like, you could get, like, fog machine oil, vaping oil, whatever, however that is.
So if you're one of those people that vapes, then you already got a smoke machine.
Yeah, so it's there's, like I said, new baby oil too is gonna do it a lot better.
That's so funny that it came out the exhaust.
I don't know, actually. I've never seen
And I guess we could see around the motor too, where you just worked on.
Oh, all that?
It should make its way down there.
I mean, it would. But you can see that nice bead all the way around there.
Yeah.
There's no
Okay.
gaps.
I want to look at something else. Did you hear that pressure come out?
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all saw that. I was kind of looking at it. I pulled out the dipstick and it blew some air out. I can feel it. You're blowing my oil out, man. I just put that in there. What's wrong?
1 psi is like, so that's why you want to keep it at 1 psi. I mean, 1 psi you can create that much pressure. So
Yeah. Good stuff. Well, that's it. That's how you
let it cool down. I mean, it's like a time limit. You know, and you can make these out of, like, this is where the money was spent, was just in this cap. I mean, yeah, it's a simple concept, so you can make it out of a paint can, you can make it out of a lot of things. Like I say, your main thing is just you need to get the reducer, and everything else past that, it's easily makeable. So at the time when I bought these, I couldn't find much information on it, or I probably would have made one. But with that one just being done, and like I said, it's just a tiki torch wick, and you can just get those, you know, anywhere. You just take it, wrap it up with the wire, and just redo it. So it's a very simple concept.
That was pretty cool. And you charge people how much to do this?
I mean, it's
$300. There you go.
It's included in every snorkel.
There you go. Included in every snorkel. And he kind of worked on the snorkel in the past, or he redid it, so it's like a lifetime warranty type of thing. It's a really effective way to check your snorkel.
Mm-hmm.
I like
or
it.
just go run it through the pond and see if it leaks.
That's the potentially more expensive way. Don't forget y'all Solitude custom stickers. He's got plenty of them in stock, so get you some.
It's the black one.
The
gray
black
ones or silver. Silver ones like this last time you'll be seeing that razor.
Poor
Hopefully it'll be
thing.
sold in the next video.
Poor thing.
I don't know.
This thing was a bad machine though. Pretty bad machine.
Good things are coming.
Well, good things are here. It looks like.
We're making progress. Jumping along. And then all that behind you's going on it.
Yeah, this looks really good. Let's see. Check this thing out. This thing is freaking mint, dude. It is. Got no problems whatsoever. What the hell is going on over here? Gosh dang, why is this tire off, man?
It's not brand new.
Shit.
Okay.
I guess y'all be seeing some videos about that.
Mm-hmm. It was all stock when I got it. Put a lift on it. 31's just off of the X2. Sold the X2. Sold the 300. That's what I'm saying. Selling the Razor. 31's on here. 3-inch lift. OMC gaskets already. Got the Gilliman tune, clutch kit, and motor secondary spring. LED lights. I got a 50-inch light bar coming for it. The full sound system. There's gonna be subs underneath the seat. Something like that.
Bam!
I just got a glimpse of this. I need to do something like that.
Hey, there you go. That's hey. So what do y'all think? Y'all think?
Like it's already matching. Looking good.
I mean, it just needs some super glue and some zip ties, and
A zip tie, yeah.
they're installed. They're practically installed already. It's perfect.
Lot to come. Lot to see. Lot to do.
Is that right, Yalta? Oh, don't be scared. Why are you scared? You're making us look like we beat you. She's a stray dog. She's a sweetheart. Right, Yalta? Come here, Pup. See? Yeah, come here so I don't beat you. She loves me. Yeah, see, she's a sweetheart. I'll make sure not to put that in the video because she made me look bad.
Keep her tail stuck between her legs.
Yeah, she's walked over.